Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world's most restricted places. These are locations so secretive and secure that only a select few will ever get to see them in person. From military installations to hidden bunkers, ancient archives to isolated islands, we'll be exploring the reasons behind their impenetrable security. What secrets do they hold? What makes them so fascinating to our collective imagination? Join me as we venture into the unknown, uncovering the mysteries of these forbidden zones. Humans by nature are curious creatures. We are drawn to the unknown, captivated by the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. These restricted zones, often shrouded in secrecy and guarded with unwavering vigilance, spark our imagination like moths to a flame. Nestled within the desolate expanse of the Nevada desert lies a place that has captivated conspiracy theorists and Hollywood screenwriters alike: Area 51. For decades, this heavily guarded military base has been synonymous with tales of extraterrestrial encounters and top-secret government projects. Surrounded by miles of barren desert and protected by armed guards with a reputation for extreme vigilance, Area 51 is a fortress of secrecy. Rumors swirl around the base like dust devils. Some whisper of captured alien spacecraft hidden away in underground hangars. While the truth remains elusive, one thing is certain: Area 51 holds a unique place in our collective imagination. Within the hallowed walls of Vatican City, hidden deep within the labyrinthine heart of the Catholic Church, lies a treasure trove of history, the Vatican Secret Archives. These archives, spanning centuries and stretching for miles, hold some of the most valuable and sensitive documents in human history. Access to the archives is heavily restricted, reserved for a select few scholars and researchers who undergo a rigorous vetting process. What secrets do these silent guardians hold? The answers, like the archives themselves, remain tantalizingly out of reach. Chapter 4: North Sentinel Island, Forbidden Island of the Sentinels. In the vastness of the Bay of Bengal, ringed by turquoise waters and fringed by coral reefs, lies a small, densely forested island. This is North Sentinel Island, and it is home to one of the last truly uncontacted tribes on Earth, the Sentinelese. For centuries, the Sentinelese have resisted all attempts at contact from the outside world. The Indian government, recognizing the Sentinelese's right to self-determination, has declared the island and its surrounding waters a complete exclusion zone. The Sentinelese are a poignant reminder that there are still places on this planet where nature, and the people who live in harmony with it, remain untouched by the hand of man. Chapter 5: Svalbard Global Seed Vault, Humanity's Last Resort. Deep within the Arctic Circle on the remote Norwegian island of Spitsbergen, lies a structure unlike any other. Built into the side of a frozen mountain, this is the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, a global repository of agricultural biodiversity. From staple crops to rare varieties, the vault acts as a global insurance policy, safeguarding our food supply against the threats of climate change, natural disasters, and even war. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault stands as a testament to our interconnectedness, a global effort to preserve the building blocks of our food supply for the future of humanity. Chapter 6: Room 39, North Korea, the Hermit Kingdom's treasure chest. In one of the world's most secretive and isolated nations, shrouded in mystery and rumor, lies a room. Room 39. Theories abound, ranging from counterfeiting and drug trafficking to arms dealing and money laundering. Some believe it to be the personal slush fund of the North Korean elite, others a vital source of revenue for the country's military ambitions. Room 39 is a stark reminder of the opacity of the North Korean government, a symbol of the secrecy and paranoia that pervades the Hermit Kingdom. Deep within the Ural Mountains, hidden from prying eyes and erased from maps, lies a city shrouded in secrecy. Mezhgorye, once a bustling town, is now a closed city, its existence officially denied by the Russian government. Rumors abound of a secret underground bunker, built to house the Russian elite in the event of nuclear war. Others speak of a command and control center, a nerve center for Russia's nuclear arsenal. Whatever its true purpose, Mezhgorye is undoubtedly a place of strategic importance, its existence a closely guarded secret. Chapter 8: Pine Gap, Listening to the World. In the heart of the Australian outback, amidst the red dirt and spinifex grass, lies a facility so secret, so vital to global intelligence, that its existence was denied for decades. This is Pine Gap, a joint US-Australian facility that plays a crucial role in global surveillance and intelligence gathering. The intelligence gathered at Pine Gap is said to be used for a variety of purposes, from monitoring military activity to tracking terrorist communications. Chapter 9. Bohemian Grove, a gathering of the elite. Nestled amongst the towering redwood trees of California's Bohemian Grove, a sense of exclusivity and secrecy hangs heavy in the air. Each summer, some of the world's most powerful men descend upon this secluded grove for 2 weeks of exclusive gatherings. The guest list reads like a who's who of the global elite: politicians, CEOs, media moguls, artists, and intellectuals. While the Bohemian Grove claims to be nothing more than a social club, the secrecy surrounding its activities has fueled decades of speculation and conspiracy theories. Chapter 10. Snake Island. Paradise Lost. Off the coast of Brazil, rising from the Atlantic Ocean like a vision from a nightmare, lies Ilha de Queimada Grande, better known as Snake Island. This island paradise, covered in lush rainforest and surrounded by crystal-clear waters, is home to a terrifying secret. Snake Island is infested with thousands of venomous snakes, including the critically endangered golden lancehead viper, one of the deadliest snakes on Earth. The island is a stark reminder that there are still places on Earth where nature reigns supreme, where the presence of man is unwelcome and potentially fatal. Outro: the world's secrets await. Thanks for joining me on this journey to some of the world's most restricted places. From military installations to natural wonders, from hidden bunkers to ancient archives, we've explored the reasons behind their inaccessibility and the allure of the unknown. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments which restricted place intrigued you the most. See you next time.